Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Dogecoin wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken account, then you need to click on portfolio. Now you need to select deposit button at the bottom and click on deposit crypto button. Now in the search bar you need to search for Dogecoin and simply select this coin and read this instruction carefully regarding deposit Dogecoin. After reading, then you need to click on I understand button, and here you can see your Dogecoin wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Dogecoin wallet address on Kraken. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.